Tokyo. It grabs you the moment you step in. The city hums with energy, but it's layered. Quiet shrines tucked between glass towers, tiny alleys that smell of grilling meat, and boulevards flooded with neon and motion. It's chaotic, beautiful, overwhelming, and intimate all at once. Walking Tokyo is like peeling back layers of time and culture. One street will have centuries-old traditions. The next will blast pop culture in your face. You can drift through a peaceful forest, lose yourself in Shibuya's human tide, watch ferries glide past Odaiba, or look down from Tokyo Tower and feel the city's heartbeat. And the beauty of it? You don't have to spend a fortune to feel it. Tokyo gives itself freely, in sights, sounds, flavors, and moments, if you're ready to pay attention. This is a city to be absorbed, not just visited. Day 1. Number 1, Meiji Jingu Forest Walk. I started the morning under the canopy of towering trees. The city hushed around me. Gravel crunched underfoot. A faint breeze moved through the torii gates. And for a moment, Tokyo felt slow, quiet, untouched. You could lose yourself here for hours, just breathing in the calm and listening to the soft chatter of locals strolling through. Cost: $0. Number 2, Shibuya Crossing, plus optional Shibuya Skydeck. Stepping into Shibuya, the pulse changes. Thousands of people move in every direction, a living, breathing river of motion. You weave between them, take it all in, and then look up. The lights, the billboards, the energy. Step onto the skydeck and ride the escalator up, feeling the city unfold beneath you as you rise. From this vantage, Shibuya's chaos becomes a mosaic of lights, movement, and life. Unforgettable. Cost: around $10–20. Skydeck optional. Day 2. Number 3, Odaiba Waterfront, plus Rainbow Bridge. I crossed over to Odaiba, letting the water and wind wash over me. The Rainbow Bridge stretches across the bay, lit in subtle colors, and the Statue of Liberty replica stands as a quiet guardian over the harbor. The area is perfect for walking, watching ferries slip by, and letting the skyline paint itself across your camera lens. Cost: $0. Number 4, Imperial Palace Outer Gardens. Back in the heart of the city, I found space again. The black stone walls, the wide moat, and the meticulously kept gardens offered a rhythm and order rare in Tokyo's frenetic energy. I walked, observing the reflections on the water, the slow passage of bicycles along the paths, and realized some of the best parts of a city are found simply by letting it unfold around you. Cost: $0. Number 5, Akihabara Electric Town. The neon doesn't lie. Screens flicker, LEDs pulse, arcades scream their invitations, and every shop window is a shrine to gadgets, anime, and gaming culture. You don't need to buy anything. Just walk, film, and feel the electricity in the air. Every corner is packed with color and chaos, and somehow it all fits. Cost: $0. Day 3. Number 6, Tokyo Tower plus Zojoji pairing. The Tokyo Tower, its orange steel piercing the sky, watches over a city that never truly sleeps. Zojoji Temple sits quietly at its base, an anchor to the past. But the tower is the main attraction. I went up to the observation deck. Depending on how high you want to go, it's $10 to $20, and saw Tokyo in its entirety, sprawling, layered, endlessly alive. Cost: around $10–20. Number 7, Shinjuku Night Walk, Shin-Okubo, Koreatown. The night hums differently here. Neon signs flicker, grills sizzle, steam curls into the air, and the streets feel alive with small dramas and small joys. You walk past the food stalls, the music spilling out from tiny shops, the chatter of people enjoying a Thursday night. You don't need to eat to feel the life. Just be here, let the energy wash over you, and watch the city reveal itself in its raw, neon-lit glory. Cost: $0, food optional not counted. Budget recap, total estimated. Cost: $10 to $20, food not included. And there you have it. 7 unforgettable experiences in Tokyo on a budget.